Hello, this video is to discuss a new enhancement which will be released in version 2.156 regarding searching for list views once the object has been selected. Currently, if you are on a Simpli list view page and you select an object, you then have a drop down to select the list view which the list views which are available for that particular object. In 99% of cases, this is a very reasonable approach, as the list views that are available for each object are not significant. In some cases, though, the number of list views is so large that the page can fail. In these circumstances, another capability or feature has been added to allow us to work around that. Now, if this enhancement it works for people who don't have that issue but still would like to use this feature, they're more than welcome. So what we want to do is we want to go to, if we decide that we want to use this functionality, we go to the list views admin page, and I have it up here. If you scroll to the very bottom, you'll see use Typeahead for list view search. When you install, it will always be set to no default, because that is how each individual install would have been up to that point. But from then on, it will not be overridden when installed, and we could just set that to yes. And we need to click save, which I can't do because my mug is in the way. So I just do that. And now you can see that the use Typeahead is set to yes. So if we now refresh this page, the widget, which allows us to select the list view, has changed from a combo box dropdown to a Typeahead search. Now, in this particular case, this list view page has a pinned list view, and so that particular list view, platinum and gold SLA, automatically comes up. If we were to go back to contact, which it was before, there was nothing there, and you can see that it asks you to start typing in. In this particular case, what it will do is as soon as you select the text field, the first 50 or 100, I forget, list views are automatically displayed. So they have already been retrieved. And so if I click, it does show me the list, and then I can make a selection if I want. So I can click Slim Contacts, and that information comes up. So if I go back to account, I can search for accounts, and things work as expected. What's going to happen here, if a large number of list views is available to be populated into the list, only the first 100 will be populated. After that, what will be required is that a particular word is entered in order to be able to reduce the volume of list values, list views that are displayed in this dropdown. So this is another enhancement which allows us, in cases where there are numerous list views, so many in fact that it typically breaks the page. It allows us to remove that massive amount of data being brought, and instead asking users to type in. Now, of course, just to reiterate, they don't have to type in when they click on the text box. The first 100 do get displayed automatically. So if it is typically the case that objects have 20 or 30, this functionality can be used, but it doesn't require them to enter that information in. It does show that information. So there we have it, a new enhancement which will be available in version 2.156.